Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. In this video we're gonna learn about Python data types and typecasting. Now here's the answer of previous video question. _age, and break pass, are valid variable name. And, age, plus age, pass, break, are invalid variable name. Now let's begin with our video. Data types. Data types is a very important concept in programming. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can perform different operations. There are various data types in Python. Some of the important types are listed below: string, number, integer, float, complex, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary. The following data types are built in by default. In this video we are going to talk about string data types. Some humans define a string as textual content, which can be a sentence or more than one sentences. It could be a phrase or even a single character, even though these definitions are not totally wrong. The more correct definition of string is a sequence of characters. Let's create a new string, and then learn some interesting aspects of this data type. So, I'm just going to create new string named str1. And assign some string value like Python is an easy language. Now, we can check the data type of a variable using the type function. As we see, the data type is str, which means string. Did you know how Python know that we pass string? It's because of quotation marks. See this, if we try to assign 94 in quotation marks, and see the data types of this variable, it also shows str, because its store 94 is string. We can also use single quotation marks for defining string, but we can't mix them. Like if you start string with single quotation, then end with single quotation, and if you start string with double quotation, then end with double quotation. See this example. Now I want to assign the string on variable like, he said meet me at party. Then here you see the color is changed because Python thinks the string ends here, and further it not know what you were trying to do. If we run, it threw an error. So, for make it right we use single quotation also like this. Now, we see why string is a sequence of numbers. In string every character has its own index, and we can access an index using braces. We just use the variable name, and using braces we can tell index number we want to get. In this case I'm going to get the 5th character. The index start with 0. We can also get an index from the end of a string by using negative numbers. The last character of a string is -1. As we type -1 it will return this, and -2 this. String has len function by which we get the total number of character in string. As we say we have 25 character in that string. Slicing. We can also get part of a string by using a technique called slicing. Let's say we have a string that represents the employee ID of employee. Where first 3 character that is edu, indicate company name. Now if I want to extract the company code of this employee ID number, I can do it with slicing. This is similar to getting by index, but we use column in a second index. So in this case it's going to 0:3. So as you can see the first index is included, but the second one is not included. So, it's going to get from 0 until 3, but not including index number 3. So it's going to stop at index 2. We can also write this, :3, it will start from beginning and ends in 3-1. Like, it will print edu whose index number are 0,1, 2. On doing same as reverse, write negative value. Like if we want to extract last 3 digit we write, -3:. We can concatenate string using plus sign. Like if you concatenate first name and last name then, write like this. First name plus space plus last name. Remember that, We can't concatenate the string with different data types, it will show an error. If we concatenate user plus 1234, it will show error. Because we can't add string with integer. If you want to add them, then you have to change the integer value in string. For this we use typecasting. By using typecasting we can change one data types to another data types. Now, if you write user plus str of 1234, it will concatenate and print user 1234. Now that we know the basics of strings, it's time to know some other data types. We discuss other data types in further video. Now hear the question of string data types. Write a Python program to get a string made of the first two character and the last two characters? Like word Python. Output, py. And second output, on. Comment you answers. I'll tell you the answers of this question in next video. So friends, if you enjoy this video please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.